It's Wednesday, June 2nd, 2021. I'm Kaden.
And I'm Allison. The Wolf U begins now.
White no baby!
On the menu for lunch today is pancakes and sausage or PB&J with string cheese.
Next year, you can sign up for specialty impacts. Ms. Vining sent out 2 emails last week, one with the full list of specialty impacts and another list with the Google form to select your impacts. So make sure you fill that out.
You can still get your yearbook. If you pre-ordered, you just need to go to room 120 to sign for your yearbook. If you still want to buy one, you can come to room 120 with cash or a check for $90, or you can pay with a credit card in the main office.
And now for a little entertainment. Here's the first episode of The Local Boys, produced by our very own Adam Jones.
Oh, hey, what's up?
What are you reading?
I'm reading Your Baby and Child.
Why?
I want to be a good mother when I grow up. Anyways, what's up?
Anyways, look at this cool car I found. I really need it.
Why do you need it?
So I could go to work. So I
Oh.
could get places.
I can bring you to work.
Okay, well, either way, I need a job.
Okay.
Whoa! A flyer for McDonald's. Wow, this gives me an idea. I could get a job at McDonald's to give me my new car.
So, you got a job at McDonald's, huh?
Yeah, what about?
Well, McDonald's isn't really a good place to make money, man.
You know what, Steve? Anytime anything good happens to me, or just in general, you're just being mean to me all the time.
Take it.
What? Hello, sir. How may I help you today? I had a terrible day at work today.
Why is that?
Because there was this old guy, and then he just walked up and made a noise.
What do you mean he made a noise?
He was like,
Oh, I mean, if he doesn't come tomorrow, then I guess it'll be fine, you know? I don't know what to tell you, man.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Hello?
Steve, I'm quitting my job.
Why? I thought you wanted that new car.
Why? Because the old man keeps coming up to me and scaring me.
How is the old man scaring you? He's an old man. What is he going to do?
I already know what he's gonna do. He's gonna come up to me and go, and I don't want to deal with that. So I'm quitting my job.
You want me to pick you up?
Yes, come pick me up. Okay.
That's the Wolf View for today.
Have a great day and go T-Wolves!